In this caravan, water intrusion has caused extensive damage beneath the vinyl floor, resulting in a warrant of fitness failure. Lifting the caravan vinyl reveals the damaged plywood subfloor saturated with mold. A closer look inside the RV's cabinetry reveals mold stains compromising the structure. Removing and replacing the plywood and supporting struts is critical to restoring the floor's strength and hygiene. Moisture damage can sometimes be caused by leaking appliances, such as toilets and boilers. But in some cases, the water ingress is identified as coming from the outside due to failing sealant around windows and hatches. In our workshop, we remove the rotted floors completely and prep for reconstruction. The team measures, cuts composite foam, and laminates a new floor using treated timber for optimum durability. The caravan or motorhome is lifted on a hoist, revealing its underside. The internal furniture is supported while the floor is removed. The rotten wooden frames and plywood are stripped down and removed. Any additional ingress problems are discussed with the owners. The undercarriage is thoroughly checked to pinpoint moisture damage and mold-infested critical zones. Here, our technicians ensure the shower tray is fully supported before the floor goes back in place. Unsupported plastic trays tend to crack and leak over time. We need to work around the supporting chassis structure and external steady jacks. After the floor is back in place, the caravan looks and feels almost new with a fresh vinyl floor product installed. The toilet and any related cabinetry are reinstalled, and all the bulkheads are tied into the floor to create a strong, long-lasting structure. Finally, we reinstall the slatted bed frame, return all fabrics, and you will never know any work was carried out in this caravan. Call us on 0942782247.